this is Prashant here. Today we are going to see how to generate Lottie files using After Effects. Basically, Lottie is lightweight vector animations which look like this in the front end, but which are basically JSON file which looks like this in the back end. Our goal in this video is to take an animation that is done in After Effects and convert it into a JSON file, which is nothing but a Lottie file, which can be played on a compatible web browser. So let's get started. I'm using a Mac, but the procedure remains similar if you're on a Windows. I'll be using After Effects, and I'll be using a text editor, in this case, Atom. This is the animation that we will be using, a ball bounce. This animation consists of just two shapefiles, a border, and the ball moving from left to right. It has two keyframes and an expression. To export this animation from After Effects as a JSON file, we need to use a plugin which is called Bodymovin. More details about Lottie and these plugins can be found in this website. To download Bodymovin, let's quickly jump to GitHub. I'm using the following link to go to GitHub. If you scroll down, you can see the README file which has the complete documentation on how to install Bodymovin. We have 6 options, but I am more interested in option 4, which is clean and simple. So let's go through these steps one by one. I'm closing After Effects now. So let's go to the folder build, extension, and we need to download this file, bodymovin.zxp. Download. This Bodymovin ZXP is nothing but a zip file. So unzip it. And as you can see, it created another folder by the name Bodymovin. And inside this folder, we have the supporting files for Bodymovin. Let's get back to GitHub, Lottie Web. As you can see over here, I need to go to this particular path. Let me copy this path. I won't copy the entire path since we have not created the folder Bodymovin. Copy. Come back to Finder. Go to folder. Paste the path. I remove the slash over here and give a space. So right now I am in the extension folder. Copy Bodymovin and paste it over here. The next step is to edit the registry key. Copy the path of the registry key. And then follow the same procedure. Go to folder. And as you can see, the file is already highlighted. I'll open this file now in Atom. And this is the 2 lines of code that needs to be added in your plist, which is mentioned in GitHub, as you can see over here. And that's about it. Bodymovin is installed. Let's quickly shoot up After Effects. I open my file again. And if you go to Windows extension, Bodymovin should be present there. Click on Bodymovin. This is the interface that you get. For more details about the interface and the configuration, go to this link. Click on the 3 dots here to set the output path for your JSON file. I set my location to my downloads folder, and the default name of the JSON file is set to data. I change it to illustration. Select the composition and just hit render. And that's it. You're done. If you go back to the downloads folder, here you have the JSON file. This JSON file contains all the data of your animation that is present in After Effects. So how to test this JSON file in a web browser? I once again head up to GitHub, copy paste this following link in GitHub. You are now in the repository Lottie. Download the whole repository. Unzip. This repository contains all the necessary files to test your generated JSON file. I'll copy the JSON file that we just generated and paste it in the folder that we just downloaded. Overwrite the existing JSON file. I'll open this project folder in Atom. Go to Packages, Atom Live Server, start the server, and voila, your animation is up and running. Now you can deploy this JSON file as an animated file in your web browser. This can also be used in your iOS as well as Android apps. More details about how to use the Lottie files can be found over here. Go to Learn. What is Lottie? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.